Gonna try to put everything together this week. Today it rained about 1 inch, so I've got a delay on setting the pool. But at least we're gonna get the pool off the trailer. And that's what's gonna take place now. Come on. This is the 4th pool I've done this year. Things are kind of slow with what's going on with the economy here in Kentucky, but I'm glad to get this one done before winter, at least get it started. It's got a water slide. We're gonna be putting in this one as well. Hopefully the rain holds off this week, be able to get this done. This family's gonna be able to operate their pool with their phone. We're also doing a big patio section around the pool. Gonna haul off the dirt, and then that's gonna be it, really. So when we get this rain out of here, then we'll be able to pick back up on construction and finish this up before winter time. Another pool, baby. Let's go. Sign up now if you want a pool. Sign up. Today we started pretty early. First truck got here about 5:30, and we're still waiting on another truck. So it's gonna be 3 trucks total. Today we're pouring a big concrete job around the Key West. Guys are doing great. We just went down. Tomorrow we'll come back, wreck the forms, clean the pool, and we're out of here. It's a blessing to get this job this time of year. Most people are not really thinking about pools, but they'll be ready to go early spring for next year. So that's the plan here.